AI is going to wipe out a huge number of businesses in the next 5 years, but it's not going to wipe out yours. Not if you're building a founder-led brand, a startup, a small business, a side hustle. And actually, if you're doing this right, you're about to have the most unfair advantage you have ever had. I'm Gina. I spent the last 20 years building startups, and I work with founders at every stage of their business, from idea and concept, pre-revenue, all the way to over $12 million ARR. What I am seeing now in real time is a split. Two types of founder-led businesses are emerging. One which is going to compound in success, and one which is quietly becoming obsolete. By the end of this video, you are going to know which one you are and exactly what to do about it. So here's what's actually happening. AI has made it incredibly easy to do stuff. Produce content, copy, products, proposals, entire marketing strategies. And because everyone now has access to the same tools, the output is starting to look and sound pretty identical. Generic posts, faceless brands, interchangeable offers, real obvious AI speak. The market is filling up with this perfectly produced nothing. And founders are responding to this in one of two ways. They're either throwing AI at everything to keep up, which is actually making them more generic, not less, or they're ignoring it completely, which is also a huge mistake. What almost nobody is doing is the thing that actually works, which is using AI to build proper systems that free up your time so you can focus on the things that will actually make your brand succeed, which is telling your story, being human, and creating the connectivity that is actually at the heart of what everybody needs. That's the shift you need to make. Build the systems so you can tell the stories. Now, if you've clicked on this video because you're a founder, you've got a startup, or you have an idea, or you're just inspired to start something, I actually offer a free 15-minute business audit. There's a link in the description. We can look at this together, whether you are just at concept stage and you think you've got a great idea for a brand, or if you're already generating tons of revenue, but you know that AI and optimization is going to be helpful for your growth. Drop some time in my calendar. It's completely free. But let me walk you through how the smartest founder-led brands are competing right now. And these aren't abstract brand strategy ideas from Notebook LLM. These are operational and mind shifts that you can actually act on today. So the first, systems first, AI second, always in that order. Now, I want to be really clear about something because I think there's a lot of confusion about what AI is actually for. AI is not a product you bolt onto your business to make it look more modern or to make it feel like you're harnessing this power. It is a tool that removes drudgery. It removes the repetitive, time-consuming tasks that are eating your hours and keeping you from doing the work that actually builds your brand. But, and this is incredibly important, AI can only do that if your systems and processes are already in place. If you throw AI at a slightly chaotic business or a business that doesn't have the processes and blueprints set up, you just get to the point of chaos faster. So the approach I recommend and the way I've built my own operations is systems and processes first, then AI layered in where it genuinely complements your workflow, improves your output, or saves you meaningful time, not just outsourcing to a shiny tool that says it's going to do everything. For me, and for almost every founder I work with, that system lives in Notion, because Notion allows you to build an entire operating infrastructure of your business in just one place. No scattered tools, no moving between tabs. You can have your content pipeline, your client workflows, your project management, your knowledge base, and then AI can sit inside that, doing those ongoing repetitive tasks, that admin, that updating, so that your time goes towards the irreplaceable parts. That is the value unlock that founders need to find. Not these flashy tools, not the 30 different automations you saw someone put up on a LinkedIn post, but a properly built system that complements your workflow and how you work, with AI working alongside it, removing things that don't serve you. And when you get this right, you will genuinely get hours back. I mean hours. Hours that will then go straight into the work that no AI can or should ever do for you. Showing up with your perspective, building your relationships, telling your story, nurturing your community and human connectivity. Now, this has been such a fundamental of mine for the last 3 or 4 years that I've actually built this all out fully in Notion. It's called the Complete Business Operating System. It covers everything from client workflows and CRM to content pipeline to weekly reviews. It's in the link in the description if you want it already done for you. But if you want something more bespoke and want to actually start, scale, or really supercharge your brand, grab yourself that free 15-minute audit, because I also work with founders to build all of their systems and processes from the ground up. But secondly, AI content is a phase, and we are already tired of it. Now, this is my honest opinion on AI-generated content, and it might be a bit controversial because there are some great things coming out, and it is obviously great for the technology that we're getting better at this, but I think we're already in the middle of a backlash that most people haven't really fully named yet. We did get excited about AI video, AI voiceovers, AI written posts, and some of it is genuinely impressive. But what I'm noticing, and I suspect you're probably noticing as well, is that we're just sick of it, and our human brains can pick up on it. There's something about perfectly produced or AI speak or flawlessly written content that always makes us slightly suspicious, to the point where sometimes spelling mistakes are just a nice reminder that there's a human being behind something. We know what this AI content is. We can feel it, and it doesn't quite resonate. And it's the same with some video content. It's impressive, but there's something wrong with it. I see a lot of people going back to analog photography and literally craving putting pen to paper or paint to paper. Nostalgia and imperfection has become a signal of authenticity. And this is quite a big seismic shift for anyone that's building a personal brand. So if you've actually been polishing everything to the point where it doesn't sound like you anymore, this is your sign to stop. Your voice, your rhythm, the way you actually talk, the way you actually explain things, even if it seems a bit rough around the edges, that is more valuable right now than anything a model can generate. And 3, the most important thing a founder-led brand can build right now, or ever, is human connection. I genuinely believe this, and I've believed this for most of my career. I've put community at the center of every brand I'm building for the last 20 to even 25 years, and the AI era is making it even more important, not less. As AI gets more embedded into every part of how we communicate and consume, we are going to crave human connection more than we ever have. We are social creatures. We want to feel a sense of belonging and kinship with people around us. We want to feel like we're talking to a person. We want to feel like someone actually sees us, and no amount of technology changes that. If anything, technology makes us want it more. That's why the most important thing a founder can focus on right now isn't the tools for connection, it's the actual connection itself. And connection comes from 4 things. Bandied around a lot, but authenticity, meaning you say what you actually think, not what's safe or optimized or given to you as an opinion from AI. Access, which is giving people a real look at how you think and work, not just these polished outcomes, everything about what you're building and how you actually do that. Obviously storytelling, sharing your journey, and community itself. Actually creating a space where people feel like they belong to something, not just mindlessly consume from it. The founders I work with who have genuinely built community around their brand, they have waiting lists. They get referrals without asking. When the algorithm changes or a social platform shifts, their people come looking for them, and that is the business that you want to build. And it is completely out of reach for any AI to replicate because it's actually built on you. 4, lead with your perspective. That's what AI will never have, no matter how much data we feed it. And this number 4 might sound simple, but it's actually something that most founders skip. AI and LLMs can produce information endlessly. They never get tired. What it cannot do is have an opinion that is earned through experience and nuances. It cannot have the take that comes from watching a client make a specific mistake 3 times and then finally figuring out why. It cannot have the perspective that comes from 20 years of being in rooms where decisions actually get made. It cannot pick up on body language or signals or even just general gut feelings. That's why I'm so against using AI to produce content. We need to not make content or comms that just explain things. We need to actually have a position and understanding. I see so many people using Claude or ChatGPT to create content based on textbooks or articles, and no one wants to hear that standard advice. You need to be speaking to people in a way that you'd speak to your friends that's different from what they'd hear everywhere else, or that they can just find by looking at the same sources themselves. Let's be honest, everyone has ChatGPT, everyone has access to a free program, so whatever you think you're creating is not as individualistic as you are. Your brand, your content, the things that compound and actually make you stand out. So if I was actually going to pull all this together for you, the AI era is actually a gift for founder-led businesses. Basically, it's commoditizing everything that isn't human, which means everything that is genuinely you, your perspective, your story, your relationships, your community, is actually becoming more valuable, not less. To really harness the power of this, you need to build your systems properly. Build your proper systems, use AI alongside those to get your time back, and then spend that time doing the only thing that will actually build your brand long term. Showing up as human, with a real point of view, building real connection with real people. If you want to work through your systems and your brand strategy with me directly, that is something that I do. The link is in the description. Grab yourself 15 free minutes. And if you are building a business right now or seriously thinking about starting one, subscribe. Because on this channel, I explain modern business made simple. How to utilize tech, tools, systems, and branding to build successful businesses. Because I'll tell you this, the time has never been better.